Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make quick and easy fish pepper soup. Oh my god, I woke up this day and when I tell you I was craving this, I was craving it. So we quickly stopped by at the market and we tried to pick up some things. And surprisingly, if you honestly love fish, just go and buy it yourself and make it yourself. That's the best way ever. I'm not even kidding. So back home now, we're going to go straight into the preparation. So we start by washing this fish. Honestly, I feel like we overdid this. Guys, we washed this till we felt like it was squeaky clean. Okay, so we started by just rinsing it, then we washed it again and again, then we went ahead to add hot water to it. This now makes it firm, and then it makes it, you see how those whitish things are out there? That's the dirt or the skin just falling off, the ones that we do not need in our pot. This is the best way. That's why I said if you want to eat this, just make it yourself. That way you wash it properly as much as you want. So yeah.
Deny that it's not the life I want, oh yeah. They got me running away. I can't hear no more, living in a cliche. But I can hear your voice every time I feel overwhelmed, and every time we're home. Whoa, sky is so high, it's divine every time. Oh, cruising base busted into city lights. Oh, stargazing angel light and staying up until the sunrise. Rosary nights, open mics every night. Oh, sipping on Sprite and soju too. I do. One day this life will be for me and you. Replace the nights I lay awake in my bed. I can't replace the fulfilled promises I made and regret. I can't relate to their desires set in stone, can't reset. I wish I manifest the scenes and all the thoughts in my head. I'd be preparing for a show and you'd be right next to me. 8 names on my list, yeah, you're my VIP. We talk about our future and what we could be, but no, it's easier to say and talk than act on these screens. It's fantasy. Oh, don't wanna relate to mundane sorrow, 'cause every time that we're home I know. Whoa, sky is so high, it's divine every time. Oh, cruising base busted into city lights. Oh, stargazing angel light and stay